Okay, game I won जाओगे. Game I won जाओगे. Okay, now go slow. Myanmar, eyes closed. Thailand, spine straight. Touch on top, focus on the breath. Breathe long, toes up. Slowly inhalation. Slowly exhalation. Balan Om chanting, 3 times Om chanting. The Kahit vow, inhale. Now go down. Hit vow. And again. One more time. Inhale. Now. So I tie rub your arm. Place your palm on your eyes. Gently open your eyes, look up at your palm, and then relax. So first, Thuzantai, relax your hands. Just very gentle stretch for the neck, down lane, and down swan. Head up and down for gentle neck stretch. Inhale up, exhale down. Hit wall, down lane, and toes are down swan. Just few repetitions. And now relax. Turn your head left and right side. Hit wow, Bintwan, Thosa 5. Hit wow, Bintwan, Thosa 4. The inhalation and exhalation. So it will be more safer practice. Okay, relax. Now drop the head left and on the right shoulder. Few times. These are the gentle stretch but important. Okay, so now your hands on the front side. Good. Now just make your fist and just simply make rotation, wrist rotation. Gently. Nuclei, opposite side. Okay, sir. Relax now. High thigh length, both hands up. finger lock and palm facing up. Stretch your arms simply. Thang lung, thang tight. Nin length, look up. Thighs are thigh swung. And now down thigh sound, finger lock. Inhale, open shoulder. Exhale, drop shoulder and look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend forward, kui swung. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Again, high thigh lean, both hands up. Finger lock, palm facing up, down thigh. Thang thigh, thang lung, hug up. Your arms straight, spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, exhale, thigh swung, relax your hands. Again, down thigh sound. Inhale, open shoulder. Exhale, drop your shoulder and look up. 1, Cup chin tight, cup chin wide. 3, focus on your arms, your shoulder. 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Inhale, exhale, bend forward, just very, very gently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, now relax. Again, high thigh lean, both hands up. Inhale, exhale, Gyan Chai, bend on your left side. Inhale, come back, exhale, bend on your right side. But thang thigh your arms straight. Inhale, come back. Exhale, again on the left side. Gyan Chai. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on the right side. Gyan Phai. Inhale, come back. Modalan Noa. One more time. Exhale, bend on the left side. 1, breathing. 2, hop up, stomach in. 3, high thighs down, little push your arms back. 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, high thigh swung. Relax your both hands. High thigh sow mong, hands behind hip, everybody. Inhale and exhale, mong lane. Lift your hip. Mong chuak, push your hip front side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, inhale. Exhale, Kui Swan, bend forward. Down Swan, drop your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, everybody. Jantai, open your arms, your shoulder level. Your left hand, Tai Chai, Om, Dao, Boy, fire. On the right knee, right hand up, inhale, exhale. Gyan Chai, bend on your left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Now thigh fly. Om, down, going chai. Right hand on the left knee and then bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. High thighs sound more. Hands again behind hip. Inhale and exhale. Long lane. Lift your hip. Push your hip front side. Long chuak. Strong arms. Your arms should be strong and strengthened. 1. Breathing. 2. Try. 4. 5. 6. And then relax. Okay, so come back. Quiz one. Bend forward. Stretch your arms and then stretch your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, so come back. Jump tight. Open arms, your shoulder level. Inhale and exhale. Swai Sam Chai. Turn on your left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your right side. Just try a little. Use your shoulder strength. Tap chun thêm. Wide. Focus more on the shoulder. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Once again, Modlan Noah. Swai Sam Chai. Turn on the left side. Come back, inhale and exhale on the right side. Swai Sam Pha. Copy. Good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Chua. Very quick chua so. So we'll go the one more practice. Everybody drop your left hand. Drop the left hand, gap tai chai, right hand up, tai phi lane, and then try to give a twist and nin tai phi. Look up at your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay, so relax. Now the right hand, tai phi. Good. Left hand up and then try. 1, breathing. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, so everybody. Once again, jump thigh, open arm, shoulder level. Hip bow and Thauza Swai Sam Chai. Turn on the left side. So this time try to focus more on your arm and the shoulder strength. Moth, breathing. High. Ba. Bone. Nam. And Sa. So hip bow and Thaza on the right side. Just try. Mong Swan, push the hip down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, Zoe. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Push one, bend forward for relaxation. Stretch your arms. Stretch your spine. 1, 2, 3,